Let's go. Yeah. Okay, Gabi Soche.
Chai, my country people, this one sweet me, I no go lie. So finally Brainjotter don't go meet Legendary Mike EJEAGHA, we sing the song where they go viral now. A lot of people have been dragging Brainjotter, say why you go give the man 2 million naira, say he ripped the man, he supposed pay royalty to the man for using his music. Now Brainjotter can't come and talk, say he no even make a dime from that music, say it's just the dancing step that he initiated that make the song to go viral. Say he no rip the man. Now so he go visit the man, go pay homage to the man. The man is a 94 years old papa. As the man come and so the man begin to cry, say omo, I don't know, say my year go come where everybody go honor me like this, where my song go viral. See the man, his wife and his children representing him. Not be small thing. This man, God dey by your side though, 94 years and you are still hell and hearty like this. God bless you, Brainjotter. You know dey easy. This Brainjotter is a God sent to this society. Man just dey lift people up like it's nothing. No be him the other time gave one woman a whole 20-something million naira. This man is good though. Anybody where they drag Brainjotter, but no be lover of good thing, and good thing will never come to you. So make una disease they drag this boy. The boy is innocent. He don't pay homage to the man, can't still give him something. He don't try. Ha!